What's up, Dough Chasers? This is Jason White, CEO and founder of Witness Riches. Today, we're going to be talking about how credit card debt is killing your pockets. A lot of Americans right now have over $6,000 of household credit card debt. That means that they are paying tremendous amounts in interest payments, and I don't think that they actually have done the calculations to figure out how much they're going to end up paying over the years, okay? And what I want to do for you really quick is enlighten you on how credit card companies are making a killing off of you. And basically what it's doing is hurting you two ways. It's taking away your current purchasing power that you could be investing in yourself. And it's also, taking away future money that you could be saving for yourself that you're actually giving away to the credit card companies, okay? And though we preach how important your credit score is, it won't be worth it for you to improve your credit score just to be paying someone else money. We want to improve our credit score so we can leverage it for ourselves and begin to use other people's money to our advantage. And right now what's going on is your money is being used to your oppressor's advantage, okay? So what we have to do is we have to take control of the situation, but in order to take control, we have to understand where we are right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it down for you, and hopefully this inspires you to attack your credit card debt aggressively so that you can, one, get your purchasing power back, and then two, massively improve your credit score, okay? So let's dive into this, okay? So the average household has $6,375 of credit card debt, okay? And let's say that the average household is paying $125 a month, okay? That's their minimum payment. They're paying $125 a month towards their credit card balances, okay? So that sounds reasonable, but let's see if it's actually worth it, okay? So the average household is paying $125 towards their $6,300 credit card balance, and their interest rate right now is 24.99%. That's pretty average, right? The thing is, a lot of people believe that their interest rate is simple, meaning that of the $6,300 that I'm paying, I'm only going to pay 24.9% monthly. But that's not how this works. How this works is they actually compound your interest rate. So we all know the power of compounding interest, you know, the law of 72. And what we want to do is we want to set ourselves up dramatically, because the law of 72 says take 72 divided by your interest rate, and what you get is how quickly your money will double within that time frame, okay? And if we were to take 72, okay, divided by 24.99, their money will double every 2.8 years. That's amazing, okay? But that's not you doubling your money. That's them doubling the money that they make off of you, if you get what I'm saying. So what we want to do is we want to understand how how they basically calculate their compounding interest. I'm going to show you really quick, and you're going to see how this is hurting you, okay? So what you have to do is you have to understand that the monthly interest rate, which is 24.99, okay? 24.99 divided by 12 months divided by 100, okay? And then that's going to get you your monthly interest rate, which is going to compound monthly, okay? So what we want to do is 24.99 divided by 12, okay, divided by 100. That will give us a 2% rate, okay? So 2%, okay? So basically, what they're going to charge you in interest is 2%, okay? And how they do that is they look at the balance, 6,375, okay? Are you with me? And then they multiply that by this rate, so 0.0208. What this is going to give us is our interest payment that we pay every month, okay? So we take the percentage times 6,375, and each month, okay, I actually should have did this a little different. Each month, the interest rate is actually 132.75. So one thing that I didn't understand is that the minimum payment that you're paying on your credit cards isn't even enough. We need to increase this at least to 150 per month, okay? So I have to backtrack on that a little bit. Our monthly payment is no longer 125, it is now 150. Bear with me, okay? My mistake. So the interest payment that we're having monthly is $132.75. So what that means is when you're paying $150 a month towards your bill, $132 is going towards interest. Okay? That's going towards interest. Significant. So what that means is when we take 150 minus 132, that means only $17.24 is actually going towards the principal. So every month you're only paying $17 towards this the $6,300 payment. So if we were to take $6,375 divided by $17.24, we would be making this payment for 369 months. So this is what I want you to peep out. You only borrowed $6,375. You're going to be making this payment of $17.24 towards the principal for 369 months. Let's do 369 times 17.24. How much does that cost us? I'm sorry. We're going to take $150 that you're paying monthly towards your bill, and we're going to times that by 369 months, okay? So that's what you're paying every month. 150 times 369. Let's see how much this is going to cost us. Look at that. $55,350 bucks. Let me do the math for you again. 369 times our monthly payment of 150 equals $55,350. $55,350 that you will ultimately be paying towards this payment or this balance of $6,300. So what needs to happen is you need to be more aggressive when it comes to paying down your credit card debt, because as you can see, it's killing your pockets. It's taking away your purchasing power. This $132 that you're paying towards interest every month, you can be paying that towards gaining your own interest. You can be paying that towards compounding your own interest, right? And it's also taken away from future money that you can actually save for yourself. So what we need to do is we need to use our credit cards more strategically. We need to use them to help us and not hurt us, okay? And in order for it to help you, one, we need to reduce our credit card debt so that it improves our credit utilization on our credit reports, okay? That's for one. And then two, we need to aggressively attack credit card debt and not allow balances to revolve monthly, because when you do that, you pay a penalty, and the penalty is the 24.99% that you pay each month. Basically, that's a way for you to acquire things, and the penalty is the interest rate. All right? So let's not be penalized by our temporary wants. Let's plan for the future. Be a dough chaser, okay? Hopefully this helps you. Again, my name is Jason White. You need more information about how we can help you. You can learn more at the700clubcreditrepair.com or give us a call at 419-824-0004. Make sure you subscribe right now.